Hello everyone. In the previous session, we looked at how to create a backup policy. In this session, we'll look at how to view your backups and also how to perform a restore action. To view your backups based on your backup policies that you've created, you can actually go to your backups tab here, and what you'll see is all your backups being listed out here. You have an option to actually filter out your backups based on a particular tag, and also to go back and look at more additional information of your point in time copy, like what region is it based off, what snapshot size, and any additional tags that are a part of it. Now, if you want to go and restore this particular snapshot, there are three options that will be presented to you. The first option that you have in front of you is actually to restore it as a volume. So you have a snapshot and you want to bring it up as a standalone volume. This level of option is available as a granularity to say, give a volume name, select the availability zone on the AWS site, what type of volume should it be created as, and these finer details. The second option you have in front of you is to actually take this underlying snapshot and say, I want to reconstruct an instance, EC2 instance out of it. Now what this would do for you is, we would pre-populate all the settings that we captured as a part of the backup. So you can see the instance type, the image ID, what VPC it ran, what subnet it was, its security settings, and any other finer details, and also present you with the option to further customize that if you choose to do that. So you have the ability to change any parameter. Let's say it was a small type of instance, now you wanted to create a large kind of instance, you would have that granularity also in front of you to go ahead and do that. Lastly, and this is something that we see most of our customers do today, if you have an underlying volume or a snapshot and you want to actually recover the file contents. Now CloudRanger simplifies that process by allowing you to do a file-based recovery. To do that, what we do is we automatically spin up an instance in your account and we take the snapshot and expose it out to you as a web view so that you can actually browse the contents and then download the particular file. Alternatively, if you have restrictions in your environment and you do not want to access it over the web, but you want to make sure that the file contents are recoverable within the internal networks, then you can actually SFTP into it and actually recover the contents. The steps to do that are listed out here. To bring up and support a file-based recovery, we actually spin up, as I mentioned, we spin up an instance in your account. Since this is only needed for a temporary period of time to access your content, what you can do is you can specify the duration in which you want this instance to be up and running. You have the configurations to decide the instance type and subnet also, and then you can simply say launch file level restore. Now I have a sample version of it launched out here, and what you see is you see the contents of that snapshot presented. You have an option to actually go and search for the contents inside it, so you can actually look at a snapshot. You see its partition, you see its information, you see its content. But if you're looking for a particular type of content, you can actually just simply do a search and then download this particular file locally. These are the three options that CloudRanger provides today from a restore capability.